Some tips and tricks for TBH taskbar hero if you are a complete beginner. The first thing which I wish I had done sooner was to get offline play. What I mean by that is opening up the menu, then going into runes, and here if I zoom in, you will see Rune of Repose, unlock offline rewards. So basically up to 8 hours, if you are offline, you will receive gold and also EXP. And this is very, very, very important. So when you try leveling up or start leveling up your runes, I suggest immediately going for this one. So Rune of Repose. Another tip that I can give you is gonna be to save up your soul stones. You will need those soul stones to move onto the bosses of each stage. So it's going to be 110 and 210, so on and so forth. So you will need these soul stones. Make sure you don't sell them for gold, because I used to sell them for gold. Okay, what else can I show you here? For the cube, if you click on the cube and go into alchemy, this is going to be the way of how you can get gold. So you can autofill items here and then click on alchemy, and it's going to sell your items for gold, which you can then use to upgrade your runes here. So if you are trying to get the Rune of Repose faster. Another thing which is very useful is to know how the cube works. Once you start using the cube with synthesis, so synthesis basically just combines lower level items into a higher level item. This one, alchemy, sells items, so trash items you can sell for gold. Crafting is very useful. So how crafting works, you click on this button here, and then you choose the type of recipe which you are trying to craft. And then here, if you fill it out, for example, it requires wood, then if you click on it to generate an item, then it's probably gonna crash. It shouldn't crash. Okay. Well, anyway, this basically gives you very good items. So I just crafted these gloves, legendary gloves, from just a single piece of wood here. And I was going to show you that if it didn't crash. Anyway, this is a very useful tool. So crafting is very useful. Decoration, how this works basically is you get items which have decorative slots. You put them here, and then you apply a gem. So you apply a gem to the item, like as you can see here, and if you click on the button, boom, now I have applied the gem, and I get this bonus here of physical damage plus 21 because I have filled out the decoration slot. And now my priest is very, well, not very strong, but relatively stronger. Now another tip that I can give you, speaking of the priest, is to download the DLC for priest. It basically gives you the priest class completely for free if you download it. So you just want to go to Steam, search for TBH priest, like that. As you can see, free. You will download it, and then once you restart your game, then you will have the priest class, which is very useful. I've combined it with my knight, and he's basically a tank, and the priest is healing him. So that's also very useful. Another thing which I suggest doing is using the Steam trade ship. So for example, if you need soul stones, then you can buy them, but that is of course when it works, because this game is experiencing some issues currently because of the high amount of players. So that's another thing. If you need any items, you can find them on the Steam trade ship. And it's a very casual and fun game, honestly. You just wanna level up whatever. So currently I've made my knight a tank, and then like I said, my priest is a healer, so he tanks and then heals. And then right now I'm currently saving for the rune, which is this one, hero slot +1, and I'm gonna use either the sorcerer or ranger here, which I have. I think sorcerer is what I'm gonna use. Looks more fun. But yeah, those are some basic tips and tricks for this game. I hope it helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.